dito din daw, dito rin daw, ang movements mo daw, pwedeng mabagal o kaya naman mabilis, di ba? Pwedeng slow, pwede ring fast. Yun yung mga movements natin. Tama? Di ba? So, effort. Ano daw yung effort? Effort is the force in moving. It is how much force you are putting to a movement. It can either be light or heavy. Ito, kapag ka ba nag-lift ka ng feather, yung balahibo, ano bang gaano effort ang pinuput mo? Heavy ba or light? Ayan o, balahibo lang naman yan eh. So, light lang yan. Pagka nag-lift ka ng bag of books, pag mabigat, heavy effort, diba? Pag nag-lift ka, light lang ba or heavy? Pagka nag-lift, pwede stamping your feet, pwede light lang, diba? Walking, light lang. Running, minsan ay heavy, lalo na pag mabilis. Conforme din kasi. So, heavy movement, dali, makinig ka, malapit na tayo matapos. Heavy movement has more weight resulting to more force exerted. Heavy movement is doing an activity with much effort. Yun ang tawag doon sa heavy movement. Kabalik ka rin ng light movement na little weight resulting to less force or no force at all. Diba? So, dito ka lang, effortless, kumbaga. Effortless. Alam mo na yun. Meron din tayong tinatawag naman sa movement uli, yung flow. Flow is an effort like light and heavy movement. It is how smooth or jerky a movement is. Meron daw tayong mga types of movement. Ano yung types of movement? Bound movement at saka free movement. Dali ba kanito? Matatapos na tayo. Yung bound, hanggang saan? Last? Ito na lang oh. Ito na lang dito. Tapos, start na tayo. Okay. So, yung bound movement daw has a lot of starts and stops such as movement. If your movement is jerky, sabi. Halimbawa, to illustrate, stay in your home space, walk around the room. O, sige, walk around the room. Walk ka, walk. Walk. Tapos pagka, habang nagwo-walk ka lang, walk, walk, walk. Tapos, bigla ko sasabihin na, stop. Stop ka. Pero pag sinabi ko na, continue, lakad ka ulit. Tapos pag sinabi ko ulit na stop, stop ka ulit. Pag sinabi continue, diba? So, ang tawag dyan ay bound movement. Marami siyang starts and stops. Yung free movement naman, opposite ng bound, which is free. Halimbawa, walk around the room, do not stop unless your teacher gives the signal. Yung okay lang, sige lang. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung paglakad mo. Ang tawag doon ay ang tawag dyan ay free movement. So, ano, okay ka na?
Yeah.
What is ito na, last na to dito sa ano, sa PE. Sa PE may help pa. Kapag ka daw tayo ay naglalaro, sabi, naranasan mo na ba na maglaro? Di ba nung nag-camping tayo, grupo kayo? Anong team nyo? Day C. Ang sabi dito, the members play
Daisy
together.
kami?
Oo, di ba Daisy kayo?
Hindi Rose.
Rose ka ba? Sino ang Daisy?
Sophia.
Rose ka ba? Sino ang kasama mo?
Wala.
Mm,
Si Lovie.
akala ko Daisy ka, Rose ka pala. Kay Mama ano. Okay, Ma'am Miriam. Okay. Ito na. The members play together. Panther. So, ito na dali. The members play together. The following features tell who a good team player is. Tingnan mo ganito daw ang good player, team player. Is ready to play. Kailangan laging handa. Arrives on time for the play or game. Kailangan lagi siyang nasa oras. Shares work with team members. Pagka meron kayong gagawin, nakiki-share ka, nakiki-love ka. Helps clean the place of the game. So, tumutulong ka.
11 na.
Ano 11? Tumutulong ka na magligpit dun sa pinagkalatan kung kayo ay naglaro. Dali na. Gusto mo ba itong matapos na? Makipag-cooperate ka na. Dahil ako gusto ko na rin itong matapos. Dali para matapos na rin ako sa ginagawa ko. Dali. Listens to the leader or to other team members. personal space, someone whom you can run to, follows safety rules, works hard and encourages others. Tayo! Is happy for his or her teammates and never blames a teammate for losing the game. So, hindi ka nakikinig ha? Sige. Sabi ko sa'yo, kapag ikaw, help na tayo, bilis, help na to. Upo na rito. What are some good health habits? Ano daw yung mga magandang health habits? Ito yung mga yon. Doing physical activities. Kesa maglaro ka dyan, mag-cellphone ka, mag-play ka na lang. Diba? Mag-play ka na lang sa labas kung pwede sa labas. Mag-play ka. Tutuloy natin ito. Ito yung mga good habits. Doing physical activities, kasama na yung pag-play. Having enough rest and sleep. Bawal sa bata yung matutulog ng late at saka hindi natutulog sa oras. Konti lang yung oras ng pagtulog. Tapusin na natin to. Maintaining good posture. So, tayo ka nga. Tayo, dali. Tingnan natin yung posture mo kung maganda ba. Straight body. Stomach in, chest out. Yun yung good posture. Tapos, when ayun na yung sinasabi na some good health habits. Dali, matatapos na tayo. How do you practice good posture? Ito na nga sinabi. Keep your shoulders back as you look. Ganon. Straight ahead. Keep your chin up. Chin up. Place your arms at your side. Keep your weight. Your weight should be even on both feet. Di ba nakaganon? Di ba nung nagkape kayo, nakaganon kayo? Paano naman yung good posture pagka nakaupo? Huwag nakaganon. Back should be straight. Tapos yung puwet mo, yung buttocks should touch the back of your chair. Kailangan na. Ito yung chair mo. Ito yung puwet mo. Your weight should be even on both hips. Hindi nakaganon. Okay. How do you practice good posture when walking? Tayo ka. Paano ba yung magandang paglalakad? Kailangan yung back mo should be straight. Straight lang. Straight. Tapos, keep your chin up. Chin up. Yan. Tapos, eyes forward. Okay, yan. Tapos, step with your heel first. Una, ito muna ang una. Then, balance the body by swinging your arms. Kailangan nagsiswing yung arms. Okay. Alternately with the opposite leg. Okay, what are the benefits of having good posture? Upo ka dito. Ano ba ang benepisyo kapag good posture ka? Breathing is done properly. Nakakahinga ka ng maganda, ng maluwag. Muscles do not get strained or hurt. So, nare-relax yung muscle mo, hindi nahihirapan. And bones are developed properly. Next. Paano ba ang gagawin to have good habits to keep the body clean and healthy? Washing the body. So, naliligo ka ba? Washing the body helps keep it free from disease-causing germs. So, dapat ang bata ay naliligo. Ito, lagi araw-araw. Brushing teeth regularly helps keep gums and teeth healthy. So, dapat nagtutoothbrush. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Nag-wash ka ba ng hands mo after using the toilet? Trim fingernails. Yung fingernails at saka yung toenails. Malinis ba? Nakagupit. Wash your hair and comb it. Diba? Ano pa daw yung other important health habits? Take a bath every day. Wash the feet when dirty before going to bed. And after, kapag ka nag-void ka daw doon sa flood waters. Wipe hands and face with a clean handkerchief. Cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. Pagka bumabahin ka, cover your nose and mouth. You need to do this so you will stop the spread of germs. Use a clean handkerchief or tissue paper to cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Wear clean clothes appropriate to the activity. Okay ka na? Okay ka na? Okay ka na? What's the next one? Clean house. Ikaw ba ay naglilinis ng bahay? Clean house. Clean ba itong house niya? Hindi, di ba nakikita natin sa pelikula? Tatapusin na ba natin to o hindi? Tingnan mo na lang yan. Okay, kailangan ng environment mo ay malinis. What are the characteristics of a healthful home environment? Dapat malinis yung environment mo. Clean. Healthful. A clean environment is healthy environment. Kapag ka ang environment mo ay hindi malinis, magkakaroon ng sakit. At kailangan ang environment mo ay safe. A healthful home environment is a safe place to live in. A safe place is a place that is safe from harm and accident. So, bakit kailangan mo na panatilihing malinis ang iyong kapaligiran? Kasi para malayo ka sa sa sakit, sa aksidente. Diba? Sabi. Ano to? Many Filipinos use walis tambo, walis linting, and bunot in Tagalog or lampaso in Cebuano in cleaning the house. They are made of local materials from rice stalks and coconut palms and shells. Baguio City is famous for strong and high quality walis tambo. So, yan yung mga ginagamit natin kapag tayo ay maglilinis. So, ito ba, malinis ba siya? Malinis to. Malinis siya. Ito. 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 Malinis ba siya? Hindi. Ito. Malinis. Ito malinis. Ito. Okay. Very good. So, now, malapit na tayong matapos. Why is it important to clean the house regularly? Di ba nasabi na nga natin para maging clean, maging healthy, at maging safe. So, after waking up, ito daw yung mga kailangan gawin ng mga batang katulad mo para tumulong sa magulang. Kailangan gawin mo daw itong mga task na to. Dali, makinig ka. Last na rin to, oh. Last na to. Okay. Fold your blanket. Kapag ka gumising ka, fold mo na yung blanket mo at arrange the pillows. In short, ligpitin mo na yung hinigan mo. After taking a bath, hang your towel, put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. So, pagkatapos mo daw maligo, yung tuwalya mo, isampay mo doon sa dapat sampayan. At yung marumi mong damit, pinagubaran, ilalagay saan? Laundry basket. So, after school naman, yung shoes mo, kailangan ilagay mo na sa tamang lagayan. Tapos, place your bag or backpack in the place assigned to you by your parents. Diba? Katulad nila, meron silang isang, ikaw din, diba siguro, meron sa bahay mo, kung saan mo ilalagay yung bag mo, hindi kung saan-saan. Okay? Ngayon, yung dirty clothes mo, yung ano mo, uniform mo, yung suot mo uniform, ilalagay mo ulit sa laundry basket. Ngayon, on Saturday and Sunday, kailangan lagi mong lilinisin yung room mo, magugas ka ng pinggan, ang tawag doon, mag-sweep ka ng floor, tapos kung meron kayong garden, mag-water ka. Ngayon, after playing, put your toys away. So, pagkatas mo maglaro, mga toys mo, kailangan lipitin mo. At after naman studying, put your books away. Take care of paper and art supply. So, yun yung mga kailangan dapat gawin ng isang bata para magkaroon siya ng malinis, safe, at saka healthy environment. So, dito ba? So, ano ba daw yung gamit ng water? Sa tingin mo, pag may water ba, mabubuhay tayo? Pag walang water, mabubuhay tayo? Sagot, dali, last na to. Ito, dali. Ito daw yung mga gamit ng water. Yung water, ginagamit natin for drinking. Tama? We drink water. For cooking, di ba? Pagka nagkukuk ng food si mama, nilalagay niya tubig para magkaroon ng sabaw. For taking a bath,